Hello everybody, hope you're enjoying your Sunday afternoon. Beautiful, sunny and hot here in South Florida. Just wanted to show you that I got started on the van's electrical system. So let me just bring you up to date a little bit on what little I've gotten done here. It's awful hot during the day, so I probably work like 3 hours in the mornings on it when I have time. But anyway, this time I used the lead time. I decided to try this. They've gotten pretty good reviews, so I'm using the 60 amp charge controller. And also I'm using the 460 amp hour battery. What a beast that thing is. But it packs a lot of power and a lot less space. So let's hope that works out. And of course I got my Renogy 2000 watt inverter up there. And basically the rest of it's just all your basic stuff here coming off your battery. Of course, you got your fuse, and then you shut off. You got your battery shunt over here, which goes to the battery monitor, which isn't mounted yet, it's just sitting up there. But and you just come down to your blocks, and got the fuse going to the charge controller, fuse going to the inverter, and I always put a shut off on the fuse block itself because I just like to have, a little extra protection if I want to work on it, just to shut it off, have that option without having to turn the whole thing off. But I've got I got the solar, it's just the top of it, of course, sitting up there waiting. I haven't got the panels on yet, but I did wire it all in. I've just got it shut off. The battery came with 13.2 on it, so I guess I'll have to put a charger on it before I start messing around with it too much. I may try and hook up my outside solar panels on it just to get it charged back up. Could do that. But I got the cabinet built around the wheel wells. And I started a little side here. Of course, I'll be putting a door up here, a frame and a door that comes around here just to protect it from everything. So, if you're storing stuff back here, you don't want it slamming against all your electrical stuff. I mean, I've seen people leave it open, but me, I got too much work and money invested, and I don't want anything getting wrecked, and I don't need a fire either. So, I got the Max Air fan. It's going to be our next project going in. It's been sitting in my attic for 3 years. Yes, I'm a procrastinator. Actually, I bought it for my travel trailer and just never got around to putting it in there. So it's okay. We'll use it in the van. That way I won't have to buy one. Anything else? Can't really think of anything. Got the wires up top going along here. I don't know if you can see them, but they're going to almost where they need to be. They're just kind of stuffed in there on the sides until I get them hooked up. This is just the old plywood that was in the van originally from when it was an electric work van. So I cleaned it up and put it back in after I put the insulation in. It just makes it a little easier to work in here during the day. Can't really think of anything else. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your weekend, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to follow along with this van build. Should be interesting. I'm finding it interesting anyway. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.